A very good morning to everyone enjoying rainy season. All the children are very happy as their exams are postponed. So in between I would like to discuss another topic with you all, that is algebraic expressions. Children, in algebraic expression two things are there along with four basic mathematical operations. They are constants and variables. Constants, let's talk about constants. All real numbers are known as constants, whether they are integers, then whole number, natural numbers, rational numbers, etc. These are all used as constants. We call them constant, children, because their values do not change by changing their places. If you write 2 on one page, you write 2 on another page, you write 3 by 5 on one page, 3 by 5 on another page, value remains same. 3 by 5 is 3 by 5 and 2 is only 2. So these are all examples of constants. For example, you can take -2, 3, 4, then -5 by 6, 1.26 and etc. These are constants. Another most important component of algebra that is variables. What are variables? What do you mean by varies? First of all, my question is, what do you mean by vary? Vary means which keeps on changing. So variables are from there only. In algebra, all small alphabets that we use, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, K, L, M, N and so on. These are all variables because wherever they will be written and solved, their value will be different. So these are known as variables. Another part, expressions. Keep smiling, everyone. Expressions are formed with the help of constant and variables along with four basic mathematical operations. And you know what are four basic mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Am I clear? For example, this ax plus b is an expression. 5x is an expression. 4x plus 3y plus 5z, another expression. 2x plus 3 plus 4y plus 7 or 7z. These are all various examples of expressions. If we talk about expression, there are different types of expressions depending upon how many terms they have. Like This one is having single term, so it is monomial. 5x is monomial. Mono means single, monomial means the expression having single term. Then come to ax plus b having two terms, it's binomial. Let's take another example. 4x plus 3y plus 5z this is example of trinomial. And this is the example of quadrinomial or polynomial. So, as per number of terms, we decide what type of polynomial do we have. I hope till here it is clear. Moving ahead with coefficients. What are coefficients? We have studied constant, variables, expression, types of algebraic expressions. Now from where this coefficient comes? So coefficient is like 5x is there. If you want coefficient of x, you hide x, coefficient will be y, 5. If you want to get the coefficient of 5, hide 5, whatever is left out is coefficient. In this expression, what is the coefficient of x square? So we write coefficient of x square is 3. Likewise of x four. Constant that is 5. Children, if you take this expression 3x square 4x plus 5 and we want to write terms. How to write terms? I have taken from here only. What you do usually? If all are positive, first of all, maybe in case this 4x is minus 4x, what you do? You write it with plus minus 4x plus 5. Now all terms are positive. Coefficient, these terms are now 3x square minus 4x plus 5. Means if you want to write the terms of an expression, it is compulsory to write the negative terms with positive sign and negative sign goes inside the bracket. Now another concept related to algebra is like and unlike terms, because this is most important thing for addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. It is not going to affect multiplication and division, but at least addition and subtraction it is must. So I'll show you what are like terms. Children, now you can see here in first column, each one of them are having literal x. Variables are also known as literals. So they all possess the same literal. So they are like terms. Now coming to second column, they all possess same literal xy. So they are also like terms. Here also they possess the same. They are like terms. And if we do this thing, now are they like? Are they like now? No. They are not like terms because their literals are different. So for terms to be like and unlike, it is compulsory to have what? Same literals. And the like terms only, we can add and subtract only like terms. Unlike terms can't be added or subtracted. Of today's session, the last part, degree of polynomials. What do you mean by degree? We write a polynomial, we write different polynomials. Like I took example 3x square plus 5x plus 7. 4p square, 4 plus 3p square plus q plus, or you don't write q, you write 8. 5p square q cube plus 3pq minus 7. I have written 3 expressions. Degree is the highest power variable. For whichever variable it is written, like this one is written for variable x. So, highest power of x is x square. So, degree will be 2. This expression, it is written for 4. P and highest power of p is 4. So, degree of this one is is 4. Now this is special case. 2 variables are involved. So what we do, we add their exponents and then check. So this is highest. So degree of this polynomial is degree of this polynomial is 5. Now I hope that you all have understood till here and try to attempt questions related to addition and subtraction. As I have told you that addition and subtraction are the 2 basic mathematical operations in algebra which can be performed with like terms only. So keep yourself safe, stay healthy, and again all the best for your exam.